When power load system failure, the cutting line can be wound onto the spool manually. First, press the release tabs on the trimmer head and remove the lower cover assembly of the trimmer head by pulling it straight out. Wear gloves. Use one hand to grasp the spool assembly to stabilize it and use the other hand to hold an impact wrench to loosen the nut in a counterclockwise direction. Remove the spool assembly and bushing from the motor shaft. Cut one piece of cutting line 4 meters long. Then, insert the line into the eyelet and push the line until the end of the line comes out of the opposite eyelet. Twine the line on the spool. Wear gloves. Use one hand to grasp the spool assembly to stabilize it and use the other hand to hold an impact wrench to tighten the nut in a clockwise direction. Insert the line into the eyelet. Press the lower cover assembly until it snaps into place, at which time you will hear a distinct click sound.